Hello and welcome to the Jello Candle YouTube channel. If you are planning to host a candle activity for a group outside of your candle studio, there are a few things you'll need to keep in mind to ensure that everything goes smooth. In this video, I will show you how I prepare for a candle activity at a client's office and how I spend my busy day. First, choose your location. The first step in preparing for a candle activity is to choose a location that is appropriate for your group. You will want to find a space that is well ventilated and has a flat and stable surface for your candles. You may also want to consider the lighting and ambience of your space to create a relaxing and enjoyable atmosphere. Next is to gather your supplies. You will need wax, wicks, fragrance oil, and any other materials that you would like to include in your candles, such as dried flowers and herbs. Of course, tools like scissors and tweezers are important. You will also need containers for your candle and any tools you will need to melt and pour the wax, such as a double boiler, a hot plate, or some melting pots. A heat gun is useful too. You can use it to melt the wax surface or do any fixing work. I always prepare extra in case anything broken during the transportation or if you have some extra last-minute participants. that everything runs smoothly and that you have enough time to complete the candles. Prepare some interesting topics to share during the wait time. I particularly love to talk about candle therapy and candle cares. If you don't want to bring extra hot plates, you should know your backup plan to melt your wax if your melter doesn't work. For example, you can set up a double boiler with the client's existing equipment. Set up your workspace. Make sure you have enough space for each person to work and that everyone has access to the supplies they need. You may also want to create a demonstration area where you can show your group how to make the candles. Finally, it's time to welcome your group and have fun. Make sure that everyone feels comfortable and that they know what to expect during the candle activity. Encourage them to get creative with their candles and to enjoy the process of making something beautiful and unique. And don't forget to demonstrate how to make the candles so that everyone can follow along and create their own candles. for your candle activity and that you have a great time creating candles with your group. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on candle making. Thank you for watching and see you next time.